Did you know over 95% of customer support interactions are powered by AI? That's right. AI chatbots have revolutionized the way businesses connect with their customers. And the best part, you can create your own AI chatbot for free. In this video, I'll show you how to build a free AI chatbot without writing a single line of code. I've used ProProfs Chatbot as an example here. First things first, head over to the Bot section on ProProfs Chat dashboard and click the Create New Bot button. Now select Using AI from the drop-down menu, because we're going to build one using ProProfs AI. Now it's time to give your chatbot the information it needs to shine. We'll show you two ways to do that. The first way is to use your website or knowledge base URL. Here you can enter your website URL, and ProProfs Chat's AI will scan it to extract key details like FAQs, product info, and contact information. Now, the second method is to manually enter text to add instructions, policies, support ticket responses, help manual, or any specific knowledge documents you want to share with the bot. Once you've provided the info, click Process Data and let the magic happen. As you can see, all the relevant information from your website is now neatly organized and ready for your bot to use. ProProfs AI automatically turns your website data into meaningful questions and answers, which the bot can use to answer customer queries. Your AI chatbot is now trained and ready to chat. Excited to see your bot in action? Click on Preview to have a conversation with your newly created AI chatbot. Let's go ahead and ask it a small question to see how well it answers. Voila! You just created an AI chatbot that can engage your website visitors, answer their basic questions, and provide instant support. But what if it fails to answer a question? No worries, it instantly passes the conversation to a human agent, giving your visitors the best of both worlds: quick bot responses and personalized human support when it's needed. And that's it. Creating an AI chatbot is as simple as that. So what's the wait? Build your own AI chatbot in minutes with ProProfs. No coding required. Start today and watch your bot automate instant customer support 24/7. We're here to help if you need us. We have live chat, phone help, and a huge knowledge base, so it's easy to get started.